Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I really appreciate you for being here and watching my vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the buttons below, please click like or dislike or just this is not serious. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make keto bread using only 3 main ingredients. You heard me right, it's going to be so healthy, of course, without the unnecessary carbs. So if you're in keto diet, this is really good. You're gonna like it. So what we need, you can use this cream cheese. If you are using 3 ounces of cream cheese, you need to use 3 eggs. If you're using 200 grams or 7 ounces of cream cheese, then you have to use 7 eggs. First, you need to preheat your oven for 300. You gotta separate your white from the yellow. So let's do that now and watch me. Put 2 pinches of salt, of course, and this is optional. If you want to use also just 1/2 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. Okay. Using your electric mixer, if you have, since I don't have, I'm just gonna use my hand mixer and beat it until the egg white, until you can turn it upside down. I think I need an electric mixer. I think I need an electric mixer. So if you have an electric mixer, please use that. Otherwise, it's going to be so long. You guys just need to be patient. Oh gosh. Whew. Wow. Oh, it's almost there. Yeah. Look at that. That's the consistency we need, but it doesn't fall. Okay. It doesn't fall at all. See? So next is take your egg and put your cream cheese. It's a 200 grams of cream cheese. Ooh, I love cream cheese. So beat together the cream cheese and your egg yolks together until it's smooth. And I've added also 1 table of sugar, but the keto approved one, which is sucralose. You can use your monk fruit if you have, xylitol, erythritol. If you want it, it's optional of course, but I'd like mine to be a little bit of sweet. Using your rubber spatula, you gotta incorporate the egg white and the yolk mixture together gently. Maybe do it here. So very gently, guys. Very nice. And gently. Now I think it's ready to be. Oh my god. Guys, you can use baking sheet and divide it into equal portion and bake it, or you can also use a baking pan like this. You can also glaze it with butter, which is very so cute to approve. So just put a generous amount of butter all over. We can now pour our mixture. So now guys, our cloud bread is ready to be baked. You have to bake it for 20 to 25 minutes and carefully watching it after 20 minutes. Add water on your tray so you won't burn the bread. I'm so excited. So guys, here it is. It's still hot and piping. It's jiggly. Look at that. I'm gonna try it. Mmm. Mmm. I love how it turned out. Mmm. Mmm. Thank you for being here on my channel, and I hope you enjoyed watching my little quiz show. And I hope you learned something from me today. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, like, comment, and also share it to your friends. And don't forget to hit the notification on. See you guys until my next vlog.